I know it seems to be impossible, but it's not. And I'm going to show you right now what I did to get this great, amazing glass-looking skin makeup with only two products in here.
Drop it.
And so guys, today's video, I would like to actually make a little tutorial on how I realized that I just found out that I can do one of the great trends going around pretty much every single social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, about men doing their own glass skin makeup tutorial. And I was so jealous. I was so like, I want to do that. But then they came up with all of this ingredients and like products that they use in order for them to actually achieve that I was a little discouraged, and I was like, no, I think it's not going to be possible for me because I have to first order all of those products before, because I don't do makeup. I don't do makeup on my face or anything like that. And so that's why I actually thought maybe that's not my thing. But I really wanted to try it because it was like pretty, like it looks pretty neat. It looks pretty professional. It looks pretty, like it makes you look very just professional. And I think people look at you differently when you actually take care of your image, of yourself, especially your face, which is pretty much what people see first of you. And now that the mask, that the face mask have been removed, it's even more important now to be able to have a good looking, taking care of skin. And so as I was doing like that, I just came across this great brand, which is Pothos Beauty. I would link down below the link to get the products. But instead of me getting all of these products in order for me to achieve the glass skin makeup, I was able to achieve that same look with only two products. There we go in here. Look at this. Look at this, you people. I know it seems to be impossible, amazing, but it's not. And I'm going to show you right now what I did to get this great, amazing glass-looking skin makeup with only two products in here. Okay, so stay tuned because now I am going to. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to to hit like, to do all of the things that you have to do. So don't play pretend with me. Don't try to come up with those. I didn't. I'm telling you now if you didn't know. Okay. Click on the subscribe button. Hit on the bell so you can get notified every time I go on. And of course, hit like and comment if you liked it or not, or if you want something else being done in here. And so the tutorial goes like this. First, we're going to be using this great face cleanser. And this is a super smoothie cleanser. It's called Rosen Skincare, and it's made out of lemon, strawberry, raspberry cleanser for dull skin and dark marks. And so the directions are pretty straightforward. Apply a quarter size amount of the cleanser to damp skin and gently work up to a lather. Lather on cleanser for 60 seconds and rinse off. Okay, great. So what we're going to do is just that. I'm going to get my face wet and then pretty much do the lather for 60 seconds and then do the other step. So I'll be right back. And so my face is now wet and all that. And so I'm going to be applying here the face cleanser. Smells pretty organic. I like it. And so I will be working up to a lather for 60 seconds, okay? 60 seconds are going to be whatever, whatever. Doo-dee-doo-doo-dee. Dee-doo-doo-dee-doo-doo-dee-doo-doo-dee-doo. Dee-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Who can count 60 seconds for me? I know I already got like a little timer or something here to count the seconds because I'm not crazy, and this is going to be uh edited after this. You see this lather and everything, so be gentle on your skin. I'm being pretty gentle with this. So look, I'm getting my lather. I'm going to look pretty much into my glass skin. It's going to be amazing. You're gonna like it, guys. You're gonna love it because it's just amazing what you can achieve by just using these two products. Like, and the other guys are pretty much using like, I don't know, like 13 products or like 10 products, different products in order for them to achieve that. I was like, I'm not rich to get that. And I was like, I want to get that look without, without being homeless after getting all of those products, and that's why I just fell in love with this great brand. I just ordered something else from them because they are so like they are all about like being unique as a creator. So no matter how you are, who you are, or like you can do everything, and it's just, and I think they also support brands like this because I think it's just amazing. Like, I'll remember, I will leave the link down below in order for you to get. I don't know if 60 seconds have passed. I'm just going to get this removed from my face, rinse off with water. I'll be right back.
Fantastic.
Okay, now we're back from the bathroom now that I just got this the cleanser rinsed rinse off my face. Now I'm going to dry it with a towel just like this, and I'm doing it right now. And now it's time for you to see the magic happen with this. Like, you see, my face looks pretty like this. You can looking good, looking good. So now we're going to be using the second and last product today, which is this amazing rose water face dew. This is made out of rose water, rose hip oil, hydrating mist for glowy skin. Okay, and the instructions for this are: hold the bottle, the bottle 6 inches from the face and mist lightly. Use after cleansing or toning to ensure lightweight hydration. After a great use throughout the day to refresh skin for a glowy look. Okay, let's get this glowy glass skin look. But just, okay, you saw what I did, right? I washed up my face with the cleanser, and now I'm getting the face dew. Let me show you now what this does. I think I have to shake it. I don't know if I have to shake it, but I'm just going to shake it. Look. Of course, close your eyes, mouth, and I don't know, just eyes and mouth because you cannot close your nose. However, let me show you now. See, there we go. Now that I got it in there, let me pretty much spread it around evenly around my face. It, of course, it doesn't say that, but I'm going to do it because I don't know. I feel like not every spot got what it deserved to get. I don't know. And of course, guys, I'm not shaved. I'm not anything like. Let me get it here on my forehead because I have a big forehead. That's why I had to. It needed extra care. Because my forehead is big, but it's also beautiful. Okay, great. And so look now. I will be doing like a before and after picture. That way, you know, like you see the big difference after it. Like, let me go ahead and do this. Go ahead, like, look. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? It's just amazing for me. Like, it looks like very glowy, very like nothing happened to my face. Who is this guy? Why his face skin just perfect? He just walked in the room. Oh man. Guys, can you tell? Like, I'm waiting just for this to just dry. It's just dry right now. Like, it's dry now. It's like this. This is how you're supposed to just go out and look amazing with this. Guys, this is only after using these two products. Like, if you don't find this amazing, I don't know what you will find amazing because I just love it. I mean, they are very affordable and you can do great things with this because look at look at this. Look at my skin. My skin don't look like that on a daily basis. Like, boy, who is you? Who is you? So guys, this was today's tutorial. So if you are on a budget and you cannot spend a lot of dollars on those other tutorials products that are like pretty much more than more than 8 products on each tutorial out there in order for you to achieve this glass looking this glass skin looking on your face, then you know what to do. You will go down here. I will leave you guys the link here on the description box so you know how to get these great products. I don't know about you, but I love this look. See ya. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload something. Like the video and comment something if you want any other type of content in the future. I am listening and I will see you on the next one.